Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer from Somerset Academy Music, and I am here for our technical exercise series where we are learning to strengthen our fingers and also learning some theory along the way. We are in Book 1, Group 1, Exercise 8. And number 8 is going to be just for the left hand. The left hand gets a good workout today. And hopefully you've already learned and mastered exercise 1 through 7. And if you have done number 7, you're going to see how number 8 feels kind of familiar, because it's going to be doing pretty much what we did for the right hand last week is what we're going to be doing for the left hand. We are going to work on stretching our left hand an octave and also building up pinky strength. So we're going to have our left hand thumb on middle C, and it's just going to be holding whole notes while our pinky is playing single staccato notes, going lower throughout the exercise until we get to a whole octave. Okay, so I will demonstrate how that works. We're going to play our left hand thumb on middle C and hold it. Without letting go, we're going to take our pinky and play it on the F with our 5th finger 3 times. 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to play that C again and hold it. And we're going to move our pinky down to E and play 2, 3, 4. We're going to hit that thumb again on C and hold it. And then we're going to D. You get the idea? 2, 3, 4. On this final one, we're going to play this middle C and hold it for the whole 2 measures while our left hand pinky reaches all the way down to this low C. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to hold this for 4 beats. 2, 3, 4. So we'll go through that a little more smoothly. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold that C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. And then I would just repeat that, play that at least 2 times every day. Add it to the 7 exercises you've already learned. So you should be playing all the way, exercises 1 through 8, twice every day until we build up to 12 exercises. That's our goal. And if you are doing that every day, oh my goodness, you are probably already can leave in the comments how much good benefits you're seeing from this. Hopefully you're seeing improvement in your counting and in your hand posture and your playing. Okay, so that is Group 1. From book 1, that's exercise 8, and I will so excited to show you exercise 9 next week because that's one of my favorites. So I'll see you next week for exercise 9. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.